Dear students, good morning all of you. Today we learn the biology topic things around us. What are you learn? Things around us. Dear student, you have surrounded by different types of the materials. You have surrounded by the different types of the organisms. You are surrounded by the different types of the atmosphere. You see in your classroom table, desk, bench, students, teacher and other substances. Do you know? Yes, you see everywhere and every time some living substances and some non-living substances see in our surrounding. What are the differences between living substances and non-living substances? Here we learn the differences between living substances and non-living substances. What are the living substances? Living substances which having the capacity to taking food, it means digestion. Take oxygen or carbon dioxide, it means respiration. Waste material draw without body, waste products excrete, this is called excretion, and here and there move in search of food, in search of shelter and in search of taking different types of entertainment. So, here we learn what are the living substances characters. The excretion, structural organization of the body cell, respiration, excretion, reproduction and movement, that is called the characters of living substances. And the organism which having not these characters, these are called non-living substances. For a leaf, a person having the development, the capacity of cells, having to take the food, having the capacity of respire, having to intake of the waste material, draw the waste material, and having the capacity of reproduce one organism for the next generation, because when the next generation is not out, their species worn out. So the characters of living substances we learn, and here we learn what is the structural organization. First of all we learn characters of living things, and here we learn the structural organization. You know, the cell is the functional unit of the life, that is the structure of cell, and the group of similar cells performing particular function, that is called tissue, and group of similar tissues performing a particular function, that is called the organ, and different organ system capacity to organs make capacity to one function, that is the organ system, and when the organ system completed, these are the structural organizations so in this figure. First, the cells found in our body and having the different types of parts in it, and when they are having capacity to one cell, having the capacity to similar cells, one or two cells make each other, these are known as the tissue, and tissue make organ, and organ make organ system, and organ system develop the human beings work with itself. So here you learn, the students, what is the organizational structural organization. First of all, what are you learn? You learn characters of living things having different types of characters, capacity, taking digestion, taking respiration, taking excretion, taking movement and taking the reproduction. And then the first topic, structural organization. We learn structural organization. In structural organization, what are you see? You see the structure of a cell, because cell is the functional unit of your life, and then different types of group of cells capacity to performing a particular function that is called tissue, and that tissue, different types of tissue make a organ, and then that organs, different types of the organs taking a part a particular function, that is organ system, and when develop the human beings. Again we learn the students, क्या पढ़ेंगे आप लोग? सेल. सेल क्या होते हैं? फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ द लाइफ. एक या दो सेल एक साथ मिल जाते हैं तो क्या बनाते हैं? टिश्यू. और 2 से 3 टिश्यू एक ही तरह के जब फंक्शन करते हैं तो क्या बनता है? ऑर्गन. और जब डिफरेंट टाइप्स के ऑर्गन मिलके एक पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन करते हैं, जैसे डाइजेशन, रिप्रोडक्शन, रेस्पिरेशन, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? ऑर्गन सिस्टम. बच्चों पहले हमने क्या पढ़ा कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स. उसमें क्या पढ़ा? ऐसे गुण जिसमें जो स्वतः ही ऑक्सीजन ले सकता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ सकता है, भोजन की खोज कर सकता है, भोजन को पचा सकता है, और क्या कर सकता है? अपने जनरेशन की जैसे एक नया यंगवंश दे सकता है, जिससे कि तुम्हारी स्पीशीज़ क्या हो? ख़त्म ना होने पावे. इसलिए क्या करना है? इन जो चीज़ें इनमें पाई जाती हैं उनको क्या कहते हैं? लिविंग बीइंग्स के कैरेक्टर कहते हैं. लिविंग बीइंग्स के कैरेक्टर में डिफरेंट टाइप्स के कैरेक्टर्स पाए जाते हैं. वो क्या हैं? सेल, टिश्यू, ऑर्गन एंड ऑर्गन सिस्टम. दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.